Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Students, I am teacher Mehvish and today we are going to study unit number 4, decimals and percentages. And our today's topic is division of decimals with the 10, 100 and 1000. By the end of the lesson, students, you will be able to do division of decimal numbers with the 10, 100 and 1000. You already learned that multiplication of decimals, addition of decimals, and subtraction of decimals. And today we will do the division of decimal numbers with the 10, 100, and 1000. First, we will discuss the method. Step number 1, convert the decimal number in the common fraction. Step number 2, change the division sign into the multiplication and take the reciprocal of the number that is on the right side of the division. Step number 3, our decimal point will move to the left as per zeros in the denominator. Now we will do the division of the decimal with the 10. Divide the following 6.24 by the 10. Look at this number class 6.24. It has the 2 decimal places. Now we will divide the 6.24 by 10. As the step number 1, we will convert the 6.24, that is a decimal number, into the simple fraction. Now I will tell you that how we will convert this decimal number into the fraction. 6.24, it has the 2 decimal places class. First of all, we will write down the number as a whole number as I have written here 624. After that, our target is what will be its denominator. Count its decimal places. If there is a 1 decimal place, then we will write the 10 in the denominator. If there is a 2 decimal places, then we will write the 100 in the denominator. As in our question 6.24, there are the 2 decimal places, so we have written here the 100. If there is a 3 decimal places, then we will write the 1000 in the denominator. Now we will place the division sign here and we write the whole number 10 as a 10 by 1, because every whole number has a denominator that is a 1. So I write here the 10 as a 10 by 1. The next step is we change this division sign into the multiplication and take the reciprocal of the number that is the right side of the sign. Here is a 10 by 1 is on the right side of the division sign. So we will take reciprocal 1 by 10 here. And after that, we will multiply the numerator by numerator and the denominator by denominator. 624 ones are 624 and 100 tens are 1000. Now we will place our decimal point. Now we will count our zeros in the denominator. Here are the 3 zeros. And we will place our decimal point counting from the right after the 3 places. Here are the 3 zeros and we will place our decimal point after the 3 numbers 1, 2 and 3, and after that here we will place our decimal point 0.624. You can also write it 0.624, that has the 3 decimal places. Now come to the next question. Division of decimal with 100. The procedure will be the same. We will divide the 6.24 by the 100. First of all, write down the 6.24 into the simple fraction, that is 624 divided by 100. And we write our whole number as 100 by 1. After that, we change this division sign into the multiplication and then take the reciprocal of the number that is on the right side of our division sign. It is 100 by 1 and its reciprocal is 1 over 100. We multiply by 624 by 1 and multiply the 100 by 100. And here count the zeros 1, 2, 3, 4. And our target is to place the decimal point after the 4 digits. Count here 1, 2, 3. Oh no, there are the 3 numbers. But our target is to place our decimal point after the 4 numbers. So we will add here the 0 as a fourth number, and after that we will place our point, and the number will become 0.0624, and we can also write it as a 0.0624, that is the 4 decimal places. Now we will do the division of the decimal with the thousand. The method will be the same, as it will be divided by the 10 and 100. 6.24 divided by 1000. First of all, we will convert 6.24 into the simple fraction 624 by 100. Divide and write down the whole number 1000 and 1000 by 1. Convert the division sign into the multiplication and take the reciprocal of the number, that is the right side of the division, 1 over 1000. Now multiply numerator with the numerator and denominator with the denominator. 624 over 100,000. Now count the zeros in the denominator. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It means that our target is to place the decimal point after the 5 numbers. But in our numerator, there are only the 3 numbers. Now our target is to make it the 5 numbers. What we will do it? We will do 4, 2, 6. After that, we will place here the 0. It becomes a 4 digits. Again, we will place here the 0. It becomes a 5 digits. And after that, we will place here the point. And it becomes a 0.00624. That is equal to 0.00624. That is the 5 decimal places. Class, we can solve it directly. 8.3 divided by 10. Procedure is very simple. 8.3 is a dividend and 10 is a divisor. अपने डिवाइजर में मौजूद जीरोस को काउंट करें. यहाँ पे एक जीरो है, यहाँ पे एक जीरो था, तो हम इस पॉइंट को एक डिजिट मतलब 8 के बाद लेफ्ट साइड पे हमें मूव करवाना है. 8 के बाद हम यहाँ पे ले आएंगे, तो ये बन जाएगा 0.83, और इसको हम ये भी कह सकते हैं 0.83. अब हमने 8.3 को 100 के साथ डिवाइड करवाना है. Now count the zeros in the divisor, that is a 2. Now we will move our decimal point from here to the 2 places to the left. Now here is one place and there is no other place, and now we will place here the 0 and it becomes a 0.083. If we will divide the 8.3 by the 1000, now count the zeros in the divisor, that is a 3, and now move this point to the left side to the 3 digits. Now here are not enough digits, so we will place here the zeros and zeros, so it becomes a 0.0083. Recapitulation. Count the zeros in the divisor, then move to the decimal point in the dividend to the same number of the column to the left. Class, your homework is a exercise 4B, question number 7 and 8. I hope you understood it well. If you don't understand anything, please watch this video again. Thank you.